Now for problem 33, I'd like to work it by hand, but we only have about 5 minutes left. So I'm going to plug it into the calculator. Now before I do 33, I want you to look at that set of numbers. 11, 11, 11, 15, 19, 19, 19. Let's see, 11 is 4 smaller than 15, and 19 is 4 bigger than 15. 15 is going to be the mean. The standard deviation is an average of how spread out the scores are from the mean. The standard deviation on this problem is going to be 4. That's the spread. As I look at the mean, 15, all the other scores are 4 away from it. I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to pretend I didn't say that. Second stat, we're doing one variable statistics. You should clear data just in case there's some stuff lingering in there. I just did that. Press data key. The first number is 11. Down arrow, it occurs 3 times. Next one is 15. It occurs once. And then the 19 occurs 3 times. That's all of it. Press that there. N is 7. There are 7 data items. X bar is 15. Scroll one more. There's a standard deviation. It's 4. Now, I made a comment earlier, a few minutes ago, about another thing to note here that I didn't say. There were 3 scores below 15, all 11. There were 3 scores above 15, all 11. Perfectly balanced. The standard deviation is 4. Let's look at 34. Use the data. 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. It says, without actually computing the standard deviation, determine the value below that best approximates the standard deviation. The standard deviation is an average of how far scores are from the mean. Well, look, 24 is too big. That's not even the range of this data set. That's just way too big. 12 is too big. 7, is 7 too big? Yes. What's the range of this data set? That's the high score minus the low score. That's 6. The standard deviation is going to be at least, I want to say, less than the range in most cases. That's too big. Well, the answer is 2. That's the one that's the best fit.